Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do like you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Leave no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do makes me love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny, I got a crush on you, and that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh, yeah.
Hey y'all, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl JaMyia Tytiana. If you're new to this channel, how you doing? And if you, oh hey girl, hey, welcome back. Okay, definitely looking a little dusty today, but this is a day in my life, and you guys have seen me already walk, feed my dog, get up, make up the bed. So I'm feeling good about my environment. Now it's time to feel good about myself. I already told y'all I'm a college student. If you know and you don't know, I'm a college student. I go to one of the best HBCUs in the land of the world, of HBCUs, of schools, period. So it's homecoming week. So now I'm just gonna brush my teeth, flat iron my wig, and try to get my life together because I do have a lot of errands that I need to run before I go to class. It is currently 10:43, so I have class at 2. I leave at like 1:30 so I can make it in time. So yeah, so I'm about to shower, brush my teeth, do all that good stuff.
Take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like.
Hey y'all, I am back. I've showered. I just have on this Shein basic 2-piece. My class on do be a little bit cold, so I am gonna put on me a cute little like jacket over it. This is me. I guess now we'll go work on the stuff that we need to do I do need to ship an order out today, so we're gonna go complete this order and get ready to ship it. Then we're gonna go to the post office, and I need to go to a dollar store because I got my dog the wrong food, the food that you all saw me fix. She'll eat it, but it's definitely not her favorite, so she actually over there grubbing right now. So I'm gonna go get her the right food, pay $20 for a whole nother box of food, and I really think that's it. I need to do my hair, run to the dollar store, and go to the post office, then go to class. And I haven't even ate. I didn't even think about food, y'all. Oh, wow. So I don't know what I'm gonna eat. I don't really want to cook breakfast. I don't really have the time to cook breakfast. And I'm sorry if you hear noise in the background. That's my roommate. She on the phone. She lit. It is homecoming week, y'all. I go to the best HBCU of HBCUs. And it's homecoming week, so we lit. But yeah, y'all, just come with me throughout this day, and I'll stop in here and there to talk to y'all. Y'all, I just heard a knock on the door, baby. Y'all know what that is. It's inventory. I am so happy my inventory is in. Hey y'all, welcome to my workroom. If you don't know, if I've never said this on my channel, I'm a hairstylist slash wig maker, and this is where the magic happens. Okay, like, so this is also where I do my hair, because if it's already hair in here, why would I go in the bathroom? Why would I do my hair in my room and put even more hair everywhere? I don't like that. So I just try to leave all my hair shenanigans in one room. So I do need to hop on my sewing machine, but I also need to style my wig. This is a 32, I think it's the longest. This is a 32-inch bang wig. This is what I've been rocking. If you watched my last video, you saw that wig in my video. It was glueless. I snatched it right off that night. So I'm also in the process, like I said, it's homecoming week, y'all. Who wears the same hair for homecoming? So hopefully tomorrow I get to dye me and make me a new wig, especially since my inventory just came in. So yeah, that's great. But for today, baby, I'm about to slap this wig on. And yeah, the second thing we had to do is I have to ship this wig out to a customer. It is our B unit. It is a brown base, as you can see, with blonde highlights. She got a closure replacement. So I have already sewn down the new closure. I've already sewn down the new closure, hand sewn. So I just want to go back on my sewing machine just to ensure that the tracks will never move, like ensure that the closure will never move, and just overall to add extra security to the wig. So honestly, this is kind of our priority because I need to take this to the post office before I go to class, because I have to do hair when I get out of class. I don't want to be rushing. I also want to try to get me some lunch when I get out of class, because you are not you when you're hungry, and that's one thing that's factual about me. So if I'm hungry, baby, I'm not me.
This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene?
I did that using using my very own hot comb. My brand is called A Hair State of Mind. As you can see, if you would like you one of these hot combs so that you can get your wig this flat in a couple of seconds, make sure you click the link in my description bar, or it will be right there on the screen. So this is my B unit, not style. As you can see on the inside of my wigs, I have my name. They come with an elastic band. And I mean, if we get into the construction, if y'all want to talk construction, listen, baby, you get a wig from me, it's guaranteed to last 2-3 years. All you're going to need to do is replace the lace. So what I'm going to do is just put this back in her box for her, in a bag, and that's that. Okay, y'all, so this is my box. All my wigs will come in this pretty brown box. This is A Hair State of Mind. As you can see, this customer actually sent her box back. She sent her wig still in a box. So this is all the stuff that originally came with the wig. As you can see, my business card, a hair care card with instructions on it, and also a discount code on the back. And I'm just gonna put her wig back in this bag.
And wanna be the one on my team. Tell me what you see, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart, and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do, because.
So as you can see, I still got my button on, child. But I'm about to go ahead. Here's my to-do list for today. I could scratch off one of these because I already did it. So now I'm gonna just go ahead and print out her shipping label so that I can start on my wig, and then we can go to the post office. Because the goal is not to be all day, y'all. The goal is not to be all day.
I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So
I'm just trying to text the girl, y'all.
Is Instagram down? Like,
Easy peasy. Both of those orders are ready to go. So I have both of my orders here. They are ready to go. I'm just sitting here trying to contact my customer. So yeah, let me see if I see her name somewhere. I have so many Briannas. Maybe I could just find her name with the product she ordered. Maybe this is her. She ordered. Nope, it's not her. Or is it? See, I can't even determine. I'm gonna just go ahead and style my wig since I have to wait on Instagram to get back up and running to do this. But I'm really at a standstill because, y'all, Instagram's still down, so I can't get the girl information, which usually they'll place orders on my website, but like I said, this was an old order, so she just shipped it back. So I said, let me go ahead and get up and style my wig and get something to eat in case I have to ship when I get out of class. Hopefully Instagram be back up by then. So I'm gonna just let y'all watch me style my wig, and yeah.
I wanna all night. say it. I want all night. I want all night. Say it. I want all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
Okay, y'all, so this is my finished look. Y'all saw me just pop this thing on my head. It is completely glueless. Love this wig on my website is named Moan. So this is our Moan unit. She's a straight black bang unit. And yeah, y'all, this is my hair. So now I'm gonna just see if Instagram is back up. It is 1:06. I should be leaving in like 20 minutes for class, but I'm gonna try to get something to eat before I go. So yeah, I'm gonna see if this is back up and running, and if not, then I'm gonna just go get something to eat and go to class. Okay, y'all, so it's 1:10. I'm definitely pushing it, but I like to put something on TV for my dog so she don't be too lonely while I'm at school. So I'm gonna put something on TV for her real quick, and then we're about to go.
I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger, babe's been waiting. Just as I recall that ass is still amazing. Playing, baby, saying, baby, love it, shit, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead and pour a drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Yeah, it took taking that off me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't make me wait, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just like you will. Come through and chill.
So I'm in McDonald's parking lot. This is what I ended up choosing, y'all. My only other option was either McDonald's or Sonic. So it's like, I assume McDonald's would be quicker, but looking at this line, it's a long line, y'all. Like, it's a long line, but I'm third up from the intercom, so I should be coming up soon. It's 1:22, y'all. I usually leave the house at 1:30 to go to class, so if I can be leaving McDonald's by like 1:35, I'll be doing great timing. So yeah, I hope y'all are enjoying this vlog. If you are, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what else you want to see from me, because I'm really trying for y'all. I want to be consistent. I have so many things that I do in the everyday life that I wouldn't mind just taking y'all along and showing y'all. So I'm working hard to do that. And yeah. Up next, y'all. No.
May I take your order, please?
Yes. Can I get a hot and spicy plain? Add cheese?
Just want a hot and spicy only cheese.
Yes.
Okay.
Can I also for the drink get? Y'all don't have tropical Sprite no more, huh?
No, ma'am.
Can I get a sweet tea with extra ice?
Anything else for you?
That's all.
Thank you, ma'am. Turn around.
Yeah, my hands has been ashy the entire time I've been filming. This whole day, really, up until now. That is ridiculous and not cute, honey. I also need my nails done, y'all. I have no clue when I'm gonna try to do that. I should have went today instead of scheduling someone to do their hair last minute. But I probably just have to go Wednesday because that's the only other time I can see me having time to go. Y'all, I got one question now. Y'all heard my order. I just want to know, where is my cheese? Y'all, where is my cheese? It's still good though. Oh yeah, y'all, so I don't know if y'all care, but it's my birthday month. It's Scorpio season. My birthday is October the 27th. If your birthday in October, comment down below and let me know the date. Okay, y'all, so I'm currently walking in class. I hope y'all can see me because I can't see me.
dance and nasty up, and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, looping. Well, alright then. From you see me a cleanest. Those when me rockin' at the fucking realest. Ching. Inna the Louis V vest. Girl want with his squeeze silicone and real bless. And a blow breeze for the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rockin' a sleeveless. Ease out.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else does like you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give.
Okay, y'all, so the video has come to an end. I'm so sorry, but my camera died and I did not record an outro. This is the end of the day, y'all. The sun started going down by the end of this video and girl was tired. But if you made it this far, I really thank y'all for watching this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time.